In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Comerica bank statement online. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Comerica web banking login page. Once the page loads, you should see the Welcome to Comerica web banking screen. This is the main sign-in area where you can access your online banking tools, including your account services and statement options. From here, move to the User ID field and enter your online banking user ID. Make sure you type it carefully to avoid any login errors. If you're using a shared or public computer, it's always a good idea to double check that your information is entered securely and that no one else can see your screen. Next, click into the password field and enter your password. As with your user ID, take your time and make sure everything is entered correctly. Passwords are often case sensitive, so even a small mistake can prevent you from signing in. If your browser offers to save your login details, use that only if you're on a private and trusted device. After entering your login information, look for the option that says Go To. This is where you choose the section of online banking you want to access right after signing in. Instead of going to the standard account overview, select the option related to e-statements. This helps take you directly to the area where your online bank statements are available. Once you've selected e-statement in the Go To menu, click the Login button to continue. After signing in, you should be taken to the e-statements section of your Comerica online banking account, where you can view your available statements online. At this point, you can open the statement you need and review it directly from your account. If you need a copy for your records, this is usually the place where you can download or print it as well, depending on the options available in your account. A quick tip before you finish. If you're done viewing your statement, always remember to log out of your banking session, especially if you're on a device that other people can access. That extra step helps protect your account and personal financial information, and that's how to get your Comerica bank statement online. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to access your e-statements quickly and securely.